Thank you for watching my YouTube videos, subscribing, sharing, and liking, and commenting. Today, we'll be doing a video about an apartment that's available. It's a 3-bedroom apartment, and it's in my compound. And the rent is, I'll be able to give you more details in the description box. But right now, the rent is roughly around $2,000 per year. So you're looking at around about $175 per month for this new 3-bedroom home. Come on, let's go on the inside and I'll give you a tour of this 3-bedroom apartment. This is the living room with the kitchen table set up in this area. And this is the master bedroom. The comfort air conditioning, wardrobe closet, and here's the bathroom. Nice sized bathroom, everything. It's a new apartment. We're coming into the hallway. You go down the hallway. You got the guest bathroom here. This is the guest bathroom. Nice size, plenty room to for the guests to have their own bathroom, and they don't have to use any of the bedrooms bathroom. Here's the other bedroom. Nice size. There's a wardrobe, and it also has its own bathroom, which is nice size also. And this is the 3rd bedroom. It's a little smaller than the other two, but still decent size. It has the wardrobe over here, the wardrobe, and it has its own bathroom. Here's this bathroom here, which is nice size. Beautiful doors. I like the doors. Here's the kitchen. You have to get your own appliance and stuff. It's not a furnished 3-bedroom apartment. You have to furnish it yourself. It's set up like mine. I have my refrigerator over here, the stove area I have here. And this is a little storage area for the stuff that you're going to be needing and using in the kitchen. It's a nice sized kitchen. Plenty cabinet room. Can you even have more room if you need to add some kind of utility cart in this room. The 2nd bedroom have a balcony that you could go out on. Sit out here in the evening time if you like. I was thinking that the balcony was going to be where our kitchen door is at, but it's made a little different.
There's one too there.
Yeah. No.
There's another one at the kitchen too.
The second balcony is off the kitchen, and it has plenty of room. So you got a balcony on the second bedroom on the back side of the house, and you got one on the at the kitchen area. So you got plenty of place to do things. You could pound food and everything out here. So if you are interested in this apartment, you can contact me. I'll leave information in the description box how to contact me and get a hold of me about this apartment and stuff. Thank you.